So I thought I'd show you something that's kind of bugged me. I've got a 76 Corvette that I'm in the process of restoring. And one thing that's always annoyed me about the car is that the tripometer never worked. So I'm converting it to a 4-speed. I had to take the dash out. Figured, well, the dash is out. Let's figure out what's going on. Fairly simple operation. Take the instrument cluster out, then remove the pod, the speedo, and odometer assembly from the back of the dash. There's 3 screws that set it into the back of the dash. Then on the back side, if I can do this without dropping it, on the back side, there's this speedometer type cable that runs from the bottom of the dash that resets the tripometer, which is this piece right here. Mine was, this has always been a Florida car, one owner. Condensation somehow got into the cable and the release button wouldn't turn or work. So I took this apart, sprayed it with WD-40, freed it all up, and essentially all it is a speedometer cable with the reset button that goes into the back of it. So now, once you get the speedometer out of the housing, you remove it. This little plastic gear also is screwed in. And if you can see inside there, there is a spring-loaded arm that when you press on that speedometer cable, it pushes that gear onto the gear on the tripometer. Simple operation. I put some 3-in-1 oil on the arm, which is spring-loaded, and on the gear, and voila, it now works. Reassemble it, and you've got yourself a working tripometer. Hope that helps.